Sometimes navigating around your iPhone, trying to find some setting can be a pain. And I don't know about you, but every time I try to turn the volume down using the buttons on the side of the phone, I turn it up or all the way down, and then I've got to fiddle with it to get it right. Sometimes I need to turn on the flashlight and I can never remember how to do that, or I need the calculator, or just something. Well, in this short video, I'm going to show you the easy way to do all of this using Control Center. Control Center is your best friend. Stick around. Hi, I'm Rich Bolin, and I make videos about a number of things, but lately I've been making videos to help seniors and beginners learn how to use the iPhone and iPad without losing their minds. This is part 9 in my iPhone Tips for Seniors series. Links to all the other videos are in the description below, and once you've watched this video, check the others out. They are chock full of tips that'll have you using your iPhone like a pro. And by the way, if you do find this video helpful, please consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe button as well as tapping the thumbs up like button. When you do that, it helps the channel grow, and we are growing. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 easy tips on how to set up and use Control Center. You may not know it, but Control Center is right under your thumb. It's easy to get to and use, really. So here are today's tips. How to open Control Center, how to use the stock apps in Control Center, and lastly, how to customize Control Center. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is just how to get to Control Center. And it's really easy. You wouldn't know how to do it if you didn't know this swipe, but it's just a swipe from the upper right corner down. And that's all there is to it, and now you're in Control Center. To get out of Control Center, you just tap somewhere on the screen. Again, it's just a swipe down, and to get out, you're there. And that's easy. That's how quick and easy Control Center is to get to. Okay, so now I want to show you how to use the stock apps. So the first thing you do is you swipe down and you're in Control Center. Well, for me, I use these two a lot. This is screen brightness and volume. And as you see, I can just slide that up and down, raise and lower the brightness of the screen. I can do the same thing with audio. You know, you have some other apps in here too. It says not playing. This is the music app. If you press and long hold on that, you can pick up an app you want to listen to and hit play right from here. This has a number of different apps, and if you click and hold on it, you can put it into airplane mode. You can turn your cellular data on or off. You can connect Bluetooth devices. You could make it a hotspot. You can do airdropping. Just a lot of different little things contained right there. The next one is portrait orientation lock. If you just tap that, it keeps your screen from rotating when you pick your phone up. It'll keep it in one position. Sometimes you want to do that. And then this one is do not disturb. And if you just press and hold, you can click or check on how long you want to have it set for. So if you just want to have do not disturb for an hour, you can do that, and now your phone will not ring and bug you for the next hour. And you can hold on to it and just untap it. If you do it this way, you can actually schedule it. You can set up do not disturb completely from here. Also, there's screen mirroring. If you happen to have an Apple TV and you want to show what's on your iPhone on your Apple TV, you can press and hold that, and you can just tap on your Apple TV and it'll show up on your TV screen. All very simple. But these are the stock apps that come with Control Center. You can't remove these. These are always there. But you can customize Control Center. So let me show you how to do that. You go to Settings, and you scroll down to Control Center, and now you have a whole bunch of different apps that you can put into Control Center. For example, I typically put the calculator, and how you do it is you just press the little green plus beside it, and it goes up here. I also use the flashlight. I put that up there. I use the magnifier a lot too. If you have a hard time seeing, the magnifier is great. And you can choose just anything you want in here. There's a whole bunch of different apps that go. So now, when you swipe back and you go to Control Center, swipe down again, now you have your calculator. And you just tap it, and you can use your calculator quickly, right under your fingers. If you want to turn on your flashlight, you just tap that. I'm not going to pick it up, but the flashlight's on underneath, and you can tap it to turn it off. Magnifying glass is really interesting. If you need to zoom in on something, you can't see something, maybe it's very small text. A lot of people don't know this is even on the iPhone, but it is. You can tap on that, and it opens up your camera, and you can zoom in. So if I bring this text over here, you can sort of see that. But if you just slide this across, boy, you can zoom in really close and zoom back out. And that is just a really handy little device to have if you need. And so again, you just swipe down from the top and you have all of your controls there. Control Center is your friend. It's something that you want to get used to using. I use it literally every day when I use my iPhone. Take your time, look at the other apps, add what apps make sense for you into Control Center. So there you have it. 3 great tips on how to use Control Center. Honestly, I use Control Center all the time, every day. It's an easy swipe to find it, and I just keep all the apps I use frequently right inside there. My hope is that you'll get the hang of using Control Center too and make it a part of your iPhone experience. I'm confident you'll be glad you did. Well, that's a wrap for today. I hope you found these tips helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.